All right, so finally got my Polar Pro Shutter Collection ND filters for the GoPro Hero 8. I waited maybe like a day extra because I missed the delivery. I had all my camera stuff out, so I was like, oh, I'll just make a video on it. It's pretty easy. I do have these filters or these Shutter Collection on the DJI Osmo Action, and honestly, ND's filters, if you're filming anything in a day, they're going to come in handy. It's like a must, because if you don't, your footage is going to look all choppy and weird, because your shutter is going to try to compensate. It's not going to be cool. So if you're going to be filming anything in the day, definitely look into getting ND filters, even if it's not from like Polar Pro, because they are pricey. Just pick something up so that your footage looks pretty good. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and open the box. I kind of opened it already, but Polar Pro always has really nice packaging. They put a lot of thought into it. It looks really nice. Makes me not want to throw it away, and then I turn it into a box hoarder. But yeah, so you get stickers. Again, they have a lifetime warranty, so you do pay a premium for that. And then I believe they give you like this new microfiber towel. It's a little bit thicker than your average microfiber or little rag. Feels a lot nicer. But yeah, they give you this. This is pretty nice to have. I usually fold one in to one of the cases, but I lost them all by now. And then lastly, we have the filters. Do they have the cheat sheet on this? They don't. They usually have like a cheat sheet and tells you which filter to use, depending on the time of or how sunny it is. Anyways, I really wish they gave me one of these cases, or they gave out these cases instead of this one. I really don't like having to carry this. I mean, compared this to this, that thing is pretty huge. But then again, I kind of don't know what they really look like. So I have a feeling that this mount here, this is a mount that I'm going to throw on the GoPro Hero 8, is going to stay on there full time, only because I'm going to use this kind of like a lens protector as well on top of the screen protector. So this is easy to install. I saw a video on it, so just taking a guess. But you just kind of fit it on. There it is. It's super snug too. That's what I like about it. Just fits on that corner. Doesn't really cover the screen at all. It's pretty nice. Doesn't cover the button. And then all the ND filters are exactly the same as the DJI Osmo filters, where they just snap into place. And these are pretty much the same thing. Doesn't have that nice click though, as the DJI Osmo one. That one just snaps into place. These you kind of have to. There it is. I really like it. I mean, I wish there was just a case for them, but I guess they're too big to kind of put in them flat. Got to find another way of carrying them though. I'll figure it out. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Just wanted to go over it. I'll go ahead and throw some like test footage up there. See, I'll go on a quick bike ride and then try out the ND filters with and without, and show you guys what it looks like, because it does make a huge difference. Again, with your shutter speed too, it's going to help you a lot. All right, so I'm gonna go outside real quick, do a bit of test footage with the 8, 16, and 32. I kind of know what to expect already. I've been using the Polar Pro stuff for a while, again, on the DJI Osmo Action and the DJI Mavic 2. So I know what to expect. This is a 4. These stay on there full time because I'm not really going out at night or low light. So usually it's daylight, and I actually need them on anyway. So just kind of leave them on and then carry this around whenever I carry these two. And yeah, so let's go outside and see how it looks.